Good afternoon, dear students. Today is 21st October 2020, and today I will teach you the third unit of your optional paper of population studies, in which there is a word coined as age pyramid. And actually that age pyramid we mean as population pyramid. So today I will teach you about population pyramid, how to construct population pyramid and types of population pyramid. So let's start by defining the population pyramid. A population pyramid, also called an age pyramid or age picture diagram, and this is a graphical illustration that shows the distribution of various age groups in a population, which forms the shape of a pyramid when the population is growing. So actually, if you have to define the population pyramid, you have to write this paragraph, okay? And it is also used in ecology to determine the overall age distribution of population, an indication of the reproductive capabilities and likelihood of the continuation of species. So from ecology to population, pyramid shape is very useful. Now let us start with what is population pyramid. It is a diagram that gives information about the proportion of males and females in each age group. So very carefully keep it in mind that in this population pyramid there is two factors. One is age, second is sex. That's why it is also called as age and sex pyramid. And this also shows the proportion of first young population, which belongs to 0 to 14 years, proportion of working people, which belongs to 15 to 59 years of age group, and third is proportion of elderly population, the population which is 60 plus. So when we talk about the construction of the pyramid, which is written in your syllabus, it is typically consists of two back-to-back bar graphs, okay, and with the population plotted on the x-axis and age on the y-axis, one showing the number of males and one showing females in a particular population in 5-year age groups, and this also called as cohorts. I will show you later on with diagram. And males are conventionally shown on the left, please keep it in memory, and females on the right. So never reverse this if you are constructing the pyramid, okay? And they may be measured by raw number or as percent of the total population. Whether you should denote as a raw number, for example, if India's population is 1.38 billion, then maybe there may be 65 billion is male and more than 68 million of male and more than 65 billion of female. So you have to denote left side male and right side female raw numbers, and also you can denote in percentage, okay? And now how to construct pyramid is an important part of your syllabus. So let us start with this, dear students. You can see this is a pyramid. This is a pyramid of India in the year 2000. You can see that on vertical axis there is the age groups, on horizontal axis there is a percentage or number, left side is male, right side is female, and then come to age bar. 0 to 14 is one age bar that called as young population, and highest is 60 plus. 60 to 80 is another age group cohort that is called as elderly dependent, and lastly but not least and very important, 19 plus is called as working population. This cohort is called as working population. So this three cohort is an important feature of any population pyramid, which you have to make your in a mind. And this with this you have to deal to correlate between developing and developing countries. So what is the concept? The population pyramids are often viewed as the most effective way to graphically depict the age and sex distribution of a population. Partly because of the very clear image these pyramids present. And this can also token denoted by like this. That means there is a age and sex. Left side is male, right side is female. And central part is the age. And then you have to talk about the types. Dear students, while all countries' population pyramids differ, 4 general types have been identified by the fertility and mortality rates of a country. First is, this is also given in your syllabus, stable pyramid. A population pyramid showing an unchanging pattern of fertility and mortality is called as stable pyramid. Second is stationary pyramid. A population pyramid typical of countries with low fertility and low mortality, very similar to a constructive pyramid. So this is second type. Third is expansive pyramids. A population pyramid that is very wide at the base, including high birth and death rates. That is called as expansive pyramids. And last is constructed pyramids, just like a stationary pyramid. A population pyramids that comes in and at bottom. The population is generally older and average, as the country has long life expectancy, a low death rate, but also a low birth rate. This pyramid is becoming more common, especially when immigrants are factored out, and is a typical pattern for a wide developed country. A high level of education, easy access to and incentives to use birth control, good health care, and few negative environmental factors. This is constructive pyramids. So many of the countries with their writing story of growth is falling in this constructive pyramid era. Okay, so dear students, this is how you have to learn what is pyramid, how to construct the pyramid, and then the various types of pyramids. Okay, and in one graph I am depicting whole types of pyramids, and just remind yourself with the demographic transition model. There was also a 4 stages, and this pyramid denotes all the 4 stages here. First stage is expanding population, where no development is taking place. Second is also expanding, where less development is taking place, but population growth is high. Third is stationary stage, when development process started, industrialization started. Then the shape of pyramid is like tomb, and lastly is contracting, where birth rate and death rate is very small, and the base is very low, and the upper side is like a tomb. So these 4 types of pyramids you have to correlate with the demographic transition model. And then there are 3 terms regarding the shape. First is triangular shape, second is beehive shaped pyramid, and third is rectangular shaped pyramid. And this all shape is controlled by births, deaths, and migrations. We all know this. And when you talk about the triangular shape, this is a triangular shape. Earlier I told you about the India. You can see the shape of triangular. This is a broad-based pyramid. And in this characteristic, you can see in India 2000, broad-based means high birth rates, narrow top means small elderly population, high death rate, and proportion means large proportion of young and high young dependency ratio. And sex ratio is balanced. So this is the characteristics of any rectangular pyramid. And then second is beehive shaped pyramid. You can see this is a beehive. जैसे मधुमक्खी का छत्ता होता है, ऊपर छोटा होता है, बीच में लटका होता है, जिसमें हनी भरे होते हैं. हनी का मतलब तरक्की, उन्नति. तो इकोनॉमी में भी beehive shaped का मतलब यहाँ के पॉपुलेशन जो यंग एज में है, वर्किंग एज में है, वे सब कार्यशील हैं, काम करते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज beehive shaped pyramid. And this pyramid means example Singapore in 2000, rocket shaped or narrow base. Low birth rates, slow population growth. Proportion is large proportion of working population 15 to 59 years old age. Groups of economically active population, and sex ratio is balanced. There is no difference between male and female. Okay, so this is beehive shape. So there are many countries. And last is rectangular shape. You can see this is a rectangular shape. बिल्कुल आयताकार. This example taken from 2000 of Netherlands. This is a rectangular shape. This means rectangular shape means zero population growth. Yani development is taking place. Narrow base, low birth rates. Life expectancy high, that is 80 plus is high. Low death rates are there. And bars of equal length is balanced. Male and female ratio is balanced. And balanced pyramid means balanced sex ratio. So this is third one. So dear students, these all are the shapes of various countries. That is rapid growth Democratic Republic of Congo, that is slow growth of United States, and that is negative growth of Germany. So you can denote the growth story of any country through population pyramid also. This is how I am here to explain you, and just take care of yourself and also prepare this topic for the purpose of examination. Thank you.